At last year's Sapphire, we introduced Celerite, our innovative tool that automates S/4HANA migration, covering configuration, code, data, roles and authorizations, facilitating various business transformations. This year, we offer a hands-on session and live demo of our more advanced AI-powered Celerite 3.0 and its unique capabilities. Together, we'll explore how S/4HANA migration with Celerite 3.0 can deliver up to 30% cost savings and a 40% efficiency boost. We will also explore analytics modernization with SAP DataSphere through expert-led sessions, revealing the different paths to DataSphere and how data-driven strategies can drive growth and innovation within your organization. But perhaps the most important and inspiring part of Sapphire 2024 lies in our customer success stories. Here you will hear straight from the host's mouth where our clients London Mining, Ingots Market and Messer sharing how they transform their businesses with SAP and Applexus solutions. These stories demonstrate how innovation and expert solutions can transform operations and drive revenue growth. Later, let's gather for a happy hour at the event where you get a chance to meet our customers, SAP executives, and a chance to talk something outside of work and maybe technological trends too over refreshments. See you all soon.